All right, man. So, question: when you first had the procedure, after the procedure, you went home, you're living your life. What was the reaction like?
Well, the first day, the first procedure, I went, went back home and everybody just kept looking at me like, well, it's like they're trying to decipher something, like something in me has changed. And so they're wondering. The only thing they could say, "Huh, you look nice," but here is the emphasis on nice, like nice. You see, they don't say, "Oh man, you look nice." No, they say, "You look nice," like that nice doubt, because they know there's something, but they just cannot point the finger. And a lot of people don't feel secure to say, "Man, you look nice." So even at gas stations, friends, for instance, a gas station I frequent most of the time because they got good coffee there. So sometime at night, take a drive by there. People look at me like, the one guy who actually told me, he's like, "Wow, you got a haircut. Nice." I said, "Yes, I did." So, but he didn't realize he's been seeing me for months, and yet he never noticed I was driving a convertible. There was no top. I have no hair. I used to shave. So all of a sudden you notice that I have my hairline. Ah, you got a haircut, very nice. But nobody, no one have told me, what do you do to the hair? How do you grow hair? Nobody, not one individual. People just think, this is me. This procedure is so settled, I've been shocked. Like I told you, sometimes I will get up in the morning, go take a shower, and I will, as soon as I turn the light on, I have 3 big mirrors in my bathroom. So I walk in and I'm like, oh. Because like to you, although it's very subtle, but it's something that, you as an individual, looking yourself in the mirror, now with the procedure done, you were like, oh, it takes some time to adjust because you're used to seeing yourself the way you were before with no hair or any sort of memory of a line anywhere, of hairline. And now you're like, surprised. All throughout the first 5 days, I was just like, wow, this look good. But again, nobody. The only one who I told, it was, like I mentioned, my business partner, because he knew I was coming here. Other than that, and he can even tell, he's like, what exactly they do? He's like, wow, man, but that looks good. The only thing he told me was, it's not done yet, because I told him, no, it's not done. He was shocked, but he said, wow, I cannot believe it. But other than that, nobody knows. And that's the beauty. You can just walk outside and, feel better about yourself. And people won't even notice. Even people who see you every single day. One last thing, I just remember. I saw my barber in New York when I went back to New York, and he said, man, those are some really nice hairlines. Where did you go? Mind you, he was my barber. He forgot he only used to do my beard before. All of a sudden now, he sees me with hairline. He's like, wow, man, those are some really nice. Not even your barber can tell. So, to help those who are trying to decide whether this is good for them, believe me, get it done. Come to see Enoch. He will take care of you. And believe me, nobody will be able to tell that you have this procedure done, unless you tell them.